Hey, have an unboxing here. We got something here I got off of the eBay. I'll open it up here and see what we have. You can see here and watch me struggle for a minute. And struggle again and still struggle. And no, that's not even close to what it is. Unless you messed up, that'd be kind of exciting. Open the box up. Show you here what this is, what I paid for it. This is like a screenshot of the eBay listing here. 99 cents, how could I not do it? So let's open these up, see what we have. Got a monkey wrench. Looks like it says P, S, and W. You heard Pexto and Wilcox? Pexto? It's a nice working one, so hey, pretty good condition, as I can deal with rust. I like rust. Let's add another one. See, this one's missing the scales on the handles. That's no biggie. Looks like this one says Coles. Yeah, it looks like it works pretty good too, so hey. I'm not afraid of putting handles on it. Pull out the other one. That's a monkey wrench too. It's shot, but that's okay because I have a plan for this one. We'll make a tool out of it. That's not quite its intended tool use, but it looks like this one is a Coles too, as best as I could see. So thanks for watching. I got another one coming, so